A very good afternoon to all of you. This is Renu Kanegi from Ajayastromoneyguru, digital first Astro Finance digital channel. I'm meeting you on 14 December 2021. On today's episode, we have a guest, Mr. Tushar Jain, CFO and research head of Ajayastromoneyguru. And today, on today's episode, we'll be discussing on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hello, welcome, sir, on the show.
Hello, thank you very much. I hope all our viewers and you are enjoying the stock market and our recommendations.
Right, sir. So, I wanted to tell to the viewers, as advised, our in last previous sessions, USD have appreciated against Indian rupees, and it has in last episode, as we have shown, and our analysis on Friday, and it has that we have recommended, it has accurate and it has been correct. So, in last session, as we have discussed on Indian stock market about Nifty and Bank Nifty, in Nifty, Nifty has significantly went down around 400 points in just 2 days. That is 17,460 points yesterday high to today's low of at 17,225. Bank Nifty yesterday's high was 37,581 and today's low was 36,545. That is 1,000 points down. So, Mr. Tushar Jain, sir, I wanted to ask your views on Nifty and Bank Nifty about it.
Yeah, as you have said it correctly, we have already been analyzed and give alert to our members that we are expecting downfall and some profit booking in Nifty, and that we have made well in advance. In fact, on Fridays itself, and Nifty have shown, as you have said, around and in fact more than 400 points fall from the yesterday's high. And similarly, Bank Nifty have also shown more than 1,000 points of profit booking in just 2 trading days. So now what will happen next and what it is expected in Nifty? So before coming up to the Nifty, let us first look at the global markets also. In the yesterday's session, the US market, European market, and in today's session, the Asian markets very were also showing very bearish signal. That is the negative signals, and due to which the Indian markets have also been gap down. But from the gap down opening, Indian markets are somehow showing some strength, but till now the Indian markets are in a decisive mode. One time of the day it is showing some red signals, and the other time it is showing some green signals. And from the current levels, I am expecting some recovery can be seen in Nifty. That is, Nifty is expected to show some positive move either from the second half of the today's session or from the tomorrow session, but it is expected to show some positive move, that is the recovery from the lower levels. And currently Nifty is trading at around 17,300 to 17,310, and this is the right levels for the Nifty to show some recovery for next few trading days.
Very well said, sir. And moving to the next one, I would like to convey our viewers to kindly watch our disclaimers before moving ahead. And this is for educational and research purposes.
Yeah.
So, yes, moving to my next question. What is your view on US and India's inflation number effect on stock market?
Yeah, if we see the US inflation data that have been declared on Friday, then we can see that the US inflation is at its highest, and it is highest from the last 40 years. And the US inflation data came at the level of 6.8%, as the economists and analysts have been expecting. and due to which the on Friday, although the US stock market was bullish, as the US inflation data has already been discounted from last 1 or 2 months, and if we see the Indian inflation data, it is well within the expected range and comfortable range of RBI, which is
Right.
from 2 to 6%. And the Indian inflation data came at the level of 4.9%, which is within the comfortable range of the RBI. So we need not to worry much about the Indian inflation data, but we need to be careful on the FII selling, and the US inflation have already been factored in the economy. Therefore, we need not to worry much about the US inflation data also.
Talking about FII selling, so my next question will be on that. Yesterday, FII again sell by around 300 crore in cash market. What is your view on that?
Yeah, in the yesterday session, again the FI is net sold by around 3,000 crores in Indian cash market. And if we see from the last 20 trading session, continuously FIs are selling in the Indian markets. There have been not a single day when the FIs have net bought in the Indian stock market. In
Mhm.
last 20 trading session, they are continuously selling. And also, if we see, as we have discussed in detail in our previous episode also, whether it is on Thursday or Friday, that from past many months FIs are continuously selling, and it might be because of some government regulations or some taxation regulations, but we need not to ignore this FI selling, and it is my urge to the government also to look into this matter and see whether they are getting problem from the government end or some political end or from the sectorial or some companies end. So we need to rectify this, and we need to gain the confidence of the FIIs so that they started investing in Indian markets again. And till now, the FIs have net sold a significant amount in the December month itself. And also, if we see historically, the FIs have always been sellers in the December month because of the Christmas and New Year holidays. So it might be that the FIs to continue with their selling during this till the end of this month also. But in the current scenario, since they have
Mhm.
already been sold a significant amount from last many months, therefore we need not therefore we need to be worried about the FIA selling if they sell more in the next coming trading weeks and months.
Very well said, sir. So thank you for coming to the show, and we would like to know more opinions and your guidance further in more shows. So thank you for coming to the shows, and viewers, for advanced analysis, here are our details that you can contact.
Yeah, also I want to give some bonus talks to our viewers that we are expecting some positive move for the next few trading days. And you can consider a positive move in stocks like Dr. Reddy, Cipla, HDFC Life. So these Dr. Reddy and Cipla, as we all know, are the pharmaceuticals companies, and HDFC Life is and one of the major life insurance companies and insurance companies of India. So you can consider these three stocks for the next few trading days, and in fact, you can consider these for the long-term investment also. For short-term, for 3 4 days, you can consider it as our pick for the next 3 to 4 days. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for coming to the show. And viewers, thank you for coming to our show. And kindly like, subscribe, and press the bell icon in our channel and to get more profits and gains from it and to stay updated. Thank you for watching the show.
Thank you. Thank you very much.